You've been eating your salad the wrong way. Imagine a salad that not only tastes great, but also boosts your nutrient absorption and keeps you full longer. When you think of a low-calorie entree or side dish, salad is probably the first thing that comes to mind. But did you know the right toppings can make all the difference? Adding healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and nut butter to your salad can up your salad game significantly. These healthy fats help you absorb essential vitamins like A, B, D, E, and K, and improve the absorption of antioxidants, which are crucial for your vision, immune system, and glowing skin. Imagine a salad that not only satisfies your hunger, but also reduces your urge to snack later. The combination of greens and fats keeps you full for a long time. Avocado is a rich source of monounsaturated fats, making it a perfect addition to your salad for a creamy texture and health benefits. Olive oil dressing brings antioxidants and heart-healthy fats to your meal, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, adding a crunchy texture and a nutritional boost. For a tangy twist, add green olives, which are rich in good fats, or opt for cheese like feta, goat cheese, or Parmesan for added flavor and nutrients. Don't forget about protein-rich options like eggs, salmon, or tuna, and for a creamy dressing, incorporate almond butter or peanut butter. Elevate your salad game today.